Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the vegetable noodles recipe. We will start now.
I will pour water on vegetable. I am pouring water on vegetables. I have poured water on vegetables. I will wash vegetables. I am washing vegetables. I have washed vegetables.
I will peel the cucumbers. I am peeling the cucumbers. We have peeled the cucumbers.
I will chop the cucumbers. We have chopped the cucumbers. I will peel the onions. We have peeled the onions. I am cleaning the station. I will chop the onions. I am chopping the onions. We have chopped the onions. I will chop the cauliflower. I am chopping the cauliflower. We have chopped the cauliflower. I will chop the snake beans. We have chopped the snake beans. I will slice the green chilies.
শুরু করো।
I am slicing the green chilies. We have sliced the green chilies. I will cut the tomatoes. I am cutting the tomatoes. We have cut the tomatoes. I am putting the pan on the oven. I am turning on the oven. I am putting the oil in the pan.
Pour the chopped green chilies and onions in the pan. Stir the chopped onions and green chilies. Stir. Stir. Add the vegetables.
I am adding the vegetables. I am adding salt. I am stirring.
Now I will pour the vegetables on the bowl. I am pouring the vegetables on the bowl. Pour the water into the pan. Cut the packets. Crack the noodles and pour into the boiling water. Turn off the lid. Crack, crack, crack. Put the lid on the pan. Pouring the noodles on the bowl. I am pouring these noodles on the bowl. Pour the oil into the pan. Okay, crack the egg and pour into the pan. I am adding the vegetables. I am adding the vegetables. I am adding masala to the vegetables. I am adding masala to the vegetables. Now I am pouring noodles into the vegetables.